Okay, so the first thing we're going to need is 3 pieces of paper, 2 colors, and 1 white paper. You can do 3 colors if you'd like, but wait and see how we're going to use them before you decide exactly what you want to do. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and draw a tree, but we want to make sure the tree does not touch the top and the sides of our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and draw like a frame so that I know my tree has to stay within this box. I'm going to use a crayon to draw my tree because I think it'll be a little bit easier to see and cut out. So I'm going to start with the trunk of the tree. I'm going to make a Y shape, just like we did on our other tree project. And then I'm going to add some lines for branches. Alright, and then we want to make sure that these lines are thick, so color them in pretty thick. The reason I'm using black is because pencil is hard to see, but this will get glued down and will not be visible when our artwork is complete. So make those thick lines about as thick as a finger. The branches can be a little bit smaller. All right, once your tree looks pretty good, we're gonna go ahead and cut out. Now, normally we can cut in pieces, but for this, we're gonna try to get it all out in one cut. So I'm gonna cut out just the black part. So I'm gonna go up. So now we have a positive space and a negative space version of our tree. So we are going to go ahead and glue them onto 2 pieces of paper. So this is where that white paper and that color paper comes in. My little piece did fall off, that's okay. I just will save it and get ready to put it back. And then I'm going to put this one on my blue paper because orange and teal look good together. Okay, so I'm going to glue these down and then I'll share with you the next step. So for this, we are going to use our oil pastels and our gold paint, which you've probably been wondering why that is in your art kit. You're about to find out. Using our Zentangle sheet that's linked in Google Classroom, we are going to add designs to our tree and the space around our tree. So if you want to, this is actually a great opportunity with all the colors we have here. If your paper color is the same as one of our colors in our oil pastels and you want to make a swirly tree, you can use those oil pastels to add swirls to your tree. Like so. I chose to go with like a warm color palette for my tree, meaning like red, pink, which is the version of red, orange, yellow, and white, which is a neutral color. And so now I'm going to go ahead and do the background. The number one thing we have to remember in the background is our horizon line, or a horizontal line that goes across the paper. To save myself some time, I'm actually going to add some paint as well to fill in the rest of this Zentangle I've chosen.